Day 156 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. You already know how we do. Y'all knew we would be here because why? We're staying disciplined and we're staying consistent until we accomplish our goals, y'all. That's part of what this channel is all about, y'all. So if y'all are feeling a little doubtful about yourself, or you're feeling a little burnout, or you're feeling a little tired, or a little imposter syndrome starting to set in, don't worry about it, y'all. We're all in this together and we're all here to encourage each other to push through, y'all. Just keep pushing through. Don't stop. Don't stop. It's going to get easier as time goes on. And the more time you put into it, you'll be more appreciative of everything you learned in the past, y'all. You do not want to take a break and pick it up in about 3 months, because after those 3 months go by, you're going to be sitting back thinking like, dang, it's no reason why I took that 3 month break. I should have just continued and pushed through those whole 3 months instead of taking a break. And that could go for 3 months, that could go for a year. Some people might take 2, 3, 4, 5 years off, y'all. And that's too long, y'all. We got to push through, keep going every day, y'all, so you don't regret missing the time, so you don't waste any time. We're not wasting any time. We're staying efficient as possible, just like our code. And that's why we just do it every day instead of taking little breaks, y'all. You gotta rest though. If you need some rest, take some rest. But just make sure you pick this LeetCode back up if you put it down. Do not put it down and forget about it, because then all that work you've done will be wasted, y'all. That's not what we want. We're here to push through and we're here to accomplish our goals and do what we need to do to make that happen. Now, before we get started today, y'all, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can help push this content out to a broader audience, y'all. As Swift community members, it's up to us to help the community grow, because if we don't help the community to grow, then who's going to help it grow? So that's why we need to share this content with as many people as we can find that will watch it, that want to learn more about Swift and want to get into the programming journey with us. Just share this content with them. And for that, y'all support is appreciated. Now, let's get into the question. And today we have question number 217, contains duplicate. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. So let's see what the question says. It says, given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So let's see what that means. It's pretty self-explanatory. Example 1, we have the input nums. It's an array of integers 1, 2, 3, and 1. The output is true. The explanation says the element 1 occurs at indices 0 and 3. So if you look right here, indices 0, we have a 1. And we look right here, indices 3, we have a 1. And that is a duplicate, right? So we're going to return true because the input nums contains a duplicate. There's 2 1s right here, a 1 right here and a 1 right here. So let's look at example 2, where it'll be a little different. Example 2, we have the input nums equals another array of integers 1, 2, 3, and 4. The output is false because all elements are distinct, meaning there's only one of each element in here, meaning there's no duplicates, which is why we return the output false. So let's look at example 3, where we may have a few duplicates, right? Or might just switch it up. Now, in this, we have input nums equals an array of integers 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, and 2, right? The output is true because this num contains a lot of duplicates, right? So that's why the output is true. So now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the actual code, guys. And don't forget, right now we're in the middle of doing our LeetCode 70. We're in the middle of doing a month of LeetCode easy hash map problems, and this is one of those problems, so get ready for it. We're going to learn about some dictionaries and hash tables today. The first thing and also, guys, I got 2 solutions for y'all, so stick around after this solution because I got another solution for y'all. So The first thing we are going to do is we are going to declare a variable. We're going to call that dic. It's short for dictionary. We're going to set that equal to a dictionary of integers. We're going to say by saying open up the square brackets, put the int, colon, int, right? That is our dictionary right here. Then we're going to just initialize it with some parentheses like so. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say for num and nums, open up the brackets. Then we're going to say if dic, open up the square brackets, num. Then we're going to say does not equal nil. What we're going to do is we are going to say return true. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to say else, open up the brackets. We're going to say dict num equals 1. Then we're going to come down here and we are going to say return false, y'all. And that's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. Let's run it and see how it runs. Let's see. Oh, and it's accepted, y'all. So let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted because you know how these LeetCode problems go. And there it is, y'all. 260 milliseconds beats 31% or 31.70% of users with Swift. Not too bad at all, y'all. So that's the first solution. Remember I told y'all we got 2 solutions today, and guess what, y'all? We got a one-liner. That's right, y'all. The second solution is one line of code. That's why you know I had to sneak this in here for y'all to see before we keep moving, before we move along. I wanted to get this solution in there because this is actually uses a dictionary, and that's what we're focusing on for this next month is using dictionaries and learning how dictionaries work. That's why I wanted to include this solution. However, this one-liner doesn't really include a dictionary or like that. So let's get into it though. It's still only one line of code, so you know I had to sneak that in there. So let's see. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna say nums dot count does not equal set, turn it into a set nums dot count. So let's run it. But that really should be all she wrote, y'all. That's all she wrote, one line of code. Let's see how it runs. Let's see what that time looking like. Okay, it's accepted. So let's see what the run time's looking like now, y'all. Let's see. Ooh, there it is. 267 milliseconds beats 18.50% of users with Swift, y'all. Now that's what I'm talking about, and that's what I like to see. I hope y'all like to see it too, and I hope to see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.